Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be a spring makeup tutorial, and this is how the finished look came out. It could even be more natural than this. I just put on lashes because I decided to. My camera died, so that's why I'm filming the intro on my phone, and also it kind of died at the end, so I'm gonna explain to you what I did when it comes to that part. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get into the video. So I kind of did like my face makeup in a way. So I started with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream for my face cream, and then I did my eyebrows. I did it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in medium brown, and then I did my foundation, which was the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 228 Soft Tan, and then I moved on to my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in natural beige, and then I set it with the Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and I also went over with the MAC powder in medium golden. So that's what I have done so far. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you know this was my old background, but yeah, I'm back here because there's more lighting over here. If you hear noise in the background, that's either my mom talking on the phone or a leaf blower outside. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a rose gold eye look, but I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna do my face makeup first, and then I'll like think about it. So we're gonna go to bronzer, and this is my Hoola bronzer that I always use, and just bronze my face up. I usually just use bronzer. That's it. We're gonna do some blush, and this is the BH Cosmetics Tulip Blush Duo. I'm always using this, not changing at all. I always use the same makeup products because they like are good. I hope you guys can see this on the camera because yeah, without my glasses I can't see anything. I could see stuff, but you know, I can't see the camera, what it's telling me or it's focused on. So yeah, I'm so excited because I got this is really old palette, but I recently got this like a month ago or something like that. Not a month ago, like in December or something, and I'm finally getting to use it. I'm gonna use Get Laid, so I'm just gonna see how that looks. I want to be glowing. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Dang, I didn't even take out an eye palette. I think I'm gonna use the brown from the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and use that for my eyes. I think I'm gonna do a brown look, to be honest. That's the most natural and springish makeup look to me, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know if you guys see that. I always say this in every video, just bear with me. But I like it so far that I see in my mirror. So yeah. I'm going to use the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is in Smoldering Satin. And then I'm going to just apply this to my eyes. Make sure you don't get this in your eyes, by the way. Like inside. My camera's about to die, so yeah, I'm gonna put on lashes, probably put on some eyeliner and my lips, and I'll be right back because yeah, my camera wants to be annoying to me. So when it cut off, I was doing my eyeliner at that point. So the eyeliner that I used was the Cynthia Raleigh liquid eyeliner, and it just looks like this. I forgot where I got this from, but it was probably like in a makeup box or something. And then the lashes that I'm wearing are the Lily lashes in Miami. And then I used the liquid, no, not the liquid, but the lip liner from Nabela Noor from Elf. And I just put that on my lips. And then I put this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick on, but it kind of diffused the point because then I put the Nabela Noor Elf liquid lipstick and I just went over that. So that's how it came out, and that's basically everything that you guys missed in the video. And yeah.